Maseches Nazir daf Mem Ches. The Gemara learns out by Nazir the Memoitzim and the Matama al Matamahul and Nigam Lizivosam, and Tosis explains that the posuk is beikar coming to Mechadish to us that the Nazir can Matama to the Negoyim, and you might think since Mitzorah it's choshev kameis, so therefore the same way a Nazir can't be Matama to Meis, who then he can't be Matama to Mitzorah. And the Beskroven stencils that explains the beer and Tosis is that's mavur. That the Mitzorah is chashiv kameis is not only that his chashivas is like a mace, but also the din tumah that a Mitzorah has is similar to tumas mace, because you find in the Gemara Nivamas Taf Kuf Gimel that the shear of a beged muchlet is bekezayis and doesn't need the shear gimel al gimel. That's the sheer beged b'chol atayukulu. Zakoch, you see that the tomb of Mitzorah is ishkish to tumas meis. So therefore, is a havamina that a nozir should be also to metavam to Mitzorah. I shurim from David Soloveitchik that's asked. That's very hard to understand. There's toises because there's two different nekudas. There's one point that Mitzorah is choshev kemeis, and there's another point that Mitzorah is iskish. The mace is a hekish of Mitzorah to mace. And Tosis further says that a Mitzorah is iskish the mace. However, Tosis over here says that Mitzorah is choshev kemeis. So David asked that's mashma that the chashivas of Mitzorah itself is like a mace, and he asked that by the fact that Mitzorah is choshev kemeis, that's not a reason to answer or nozir to mitama to Mitzorah, because the oni is also choshev kemeis, and it's definitely not a havami that Nazir can't touch on oni. Although he's choshev kemeis, it doesn't mean that he has tumas meis. So David says, although the tomb of Mitzorah is similar to tumas meis, that's only because the ishkish the meis. It's not because of Mitzorah is choshev kemeis. And David asks further that even though it's mavur, the tomb of Mitzorah is ishkish the meis, nevertheless, it doesn't have all the halachas of the choyma of tumas meis. It's tzurchi and the hapmi in the Gemara. I need to say for Tal Torah for Meir Arik that has very strong kash on this havamina, that the same way on those in the kohen came metama to meis, who didn't came metama to Mitzorah. Yes, if that's the case, how could a kohen see negoyim and be megaleach and give a haircut to a Mitzorah? Since Mitzorah is choshev kemeis and a kohen can't be metama to meis, how can he see the negoyim and give a haircut? So he says that maybe he'll see the negoyim in a way that he's not being mile on the Mitzorah. And Tzorchin, he could say that he looks at the nega and he only is kura tome after he leaves being in the oil of the Mitzorah. However, he asks, on Taglachas it doesn't pass. Al Korcha he could be mile on the Mitzorah. So he says that it could be that according to the Havamina, the Taglachas of Mitzorah is specifically by a Kohen Hedyot that's a Korev to the Mitzorah, and therefore it's also hated because the same way a Kohen Hedyot can metame to his Koivim who didn't metame to the Mitzorah. It's Tzorchi, according to the Havamina, if you have Mitzorah that doesn't have a relative that's a Kohen Hedyot, so how will he get a haircut? But Tzorchi. Moving further on, the Gemara says that Rishmol learns out that a Nazir can metame to a behema because specifically on the foshes that are metame b'oil, and the tumas nevela of behema is not matam oil, so therefore Nazir is not muzer in a tumah that's not matam oil. The Ureim proves a famous chiddush from this Gemara. He says that a Nazir and a kohen is allowed to matam to a goy, although this tumah by Meisei Akum, they're not metame b'oil, and it's move over here that on the tumah that doesn't have tumas oil, and Nazir and a kohen are not muzer. And Mishnah Melech also brings this the Raya from our Gemara to the Yeshit, to the Ureim, and he asks how do you understand according to the other Rishonim that learn that a kohen and a Nazir can't be metame to a goy. How do they learn our Gemaras? He says either you have to learn that the Rabbanon that argue on this Joshua Yishmael argues on this Nekud, and they hold even tumas that are not metam v'oil and those in the kohen or muzer. Always says that they learn specifically behema, and the min tumah of a behema doesn't have tumas oil There's no as horror for those in the Kohen, however, by a person that the min of Tumas Odom has Tumas oil, so therefore those in the Kohen are muzarin even by Meisei Akum. Moving further on, the Gemara says, and he hears Shemeis Lo Meis Yochel Yitama. He should go back into Metametis Korov Amet Lo Yitama. And the Gemara says, you might think he shouldn't be metama also to meis mitzvah, specifically to a korov. He's not metama, but he is metama to meis mitzvah. Ein the shurim from David Soloveitchik that declares that's mavur, that there's a chiyuv to metama to one's korov, and specifically because he's going lishchet es pischei v'lomalas b'noi, so therefore he's not metama to his korov. So he declares, is this mitzvah to metama to a korv specifically by a kohen, or even not by a kohen, there is a mitzvah to metama to the krovim. And he says that the Rambam says that specifically a zochar has a mitzvah to metama to his korv. However, noshim that don't have the iser of tumas koyanim, so therefore they don't have the mitzvah to metama to the krovim as well. So David says, if that's the case, a Yisrael also, since they doesn't have iser to metama to his korv, he wouldn't have a mitzvah to metama to his korv. However, David says that b'emes yesh lachgar, in this mitzvah, that a kohen's mitzvah to metame to his korov, is it independent mitzvah, or it's a prat in the mitzvah of being misabel on one's korov, that besides being misabel on one's korov, the Torah was mechayiv a kohen that's ordinarily also to metame to mesim to metame to his korov. And he says it's mavur in the Rambam and Sefer HaMitzvahs, and the Rambam in the beginning of Hilchas Avelis, that the mitzvah to metame to one's korov is midine, the mitzvah of being misabel on one's korov. So if that's the case, the Huadin Yisrael, since he has a mitzvah to misabel on his korov, so then he also should have a mitzvah to metame to his korov. However, David says it's mavur clearly in the Rambam and Sefer HaMitzvah is not like that. That the Rambam says that the mitzvah to metame to a korov is midine avelis, and he says lechazik this mitzvah of Avelis, the Torah is mitzvah clearly a kohen that ordinarily has a isit to be metame to a meis. The Torah is mitzvah him to metame to his korov midine Avelis. You see, even though the mitzvah is midine Avelis, it was specifically nama by a kohen and not by Yisrael. Ein the Shagas Aryeh and the Turi Even Rosh Hashanah that bring a raya not like the Rambam, and they bring Mishoinim that are not like the Rambam. And even by Yisrael, there's a mitzvah to metame to his korov, and they bring a raya from the Gemara and Sukkah that brings a raya oisik b'mitzvah potter and a mitzvah from that. The vayu hanoshim asher tmei on the meis, they were tomei to a meis, and therefore they weren't able to bring korban Pesach. And the Shagas Aryeh says if they were Oisik in the Meis Mitzvah, so you can't compare it to the Loch of Oisik Mitzvah Potem and a Mitzvah, because Meis Mitzvah is Deicha, all Mitzvahs B'Torah, Sakorcha, you see they were Oisik in the Mitzvah of being metamet to the korov. And the Shagas Aryeh says that in the time of the Midbar, there weren't many kohenim, and nevertheless they were metamet to the korov. Al koch, you see, even Yisrael has a mitzvah to metamet to the korov, and the Shagas Aryeh says it's a raya she'enel of tshuva va'ayin sham. Moving further on, the Marshal and Tshuva's asks on that the Gemara says Misha yolich lomol lishchet es pischei v'lomol es benoi v'shomesh to meis lo meis. He asks how could he continue and mal his son and shecht his korban Pesach. The loch is a oinen is potter in kol a mitzvah shebetoyos. How could a oinen go and continue to mal his son and to shecht his korban Pesach? Eine shurim in Moed Katan Daf Chav Gimel, they brought a teretz from the Emek Bracha. And the Emek Bracha says that a oinen is potter in kol a mitzvah shebetoyos is not a halacha mesuyim by oinen. Rather, it's a allgemeine halacha. The oisik mitzvah potter in a mitzvah. So since over here he was on the way, lishchet es pischa v'lomonas benoi is very oisik in the mitzvah of Milah and Pesach. So therefore he's oisik mitzvah potter mitzvah. He's potter from taking care of his mace. The Mashal in Tshuva says the answer to this kasha is that Kochi you see from here that a mitzvah that's mutal on the Gavra to be Mekayim and it's Zmani Oivel, like mitzvahs Milom, B'chagavra, Oinin is not part of Mina mitzvahs. However, the Chassam Sofer is Madcha the Raya, the Mashal, because his dafka by a kohen and nozir that it's not mutal on them to metame, so therefore they don't have a loch of oinen. And the Beis Meir says a different teretz that the ptur of oinen min hamitzvos is the abonon. So it's also hated that the ones being raya that midarais he has chiv lishchdes pische v'lomelis benoi v'ayin sham.